like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open.
Hello one and all. Welcome and enjoy another beautiful day with me. The day is as pleasant as it gets. Dosas were on the breakfast menu today, and so was this DIY project that was planned for in advance. Entryway makeover was on my mind for quite long now. One fine day, I found these terracotta masks in my trunk, and I immediately knew what I wanted to do with them.
For a price. In the end, what I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain.
It feels like some things are always meant to get their perfect spot, and then one day we just happen to find it out of nowhere. I finally found the most fitting place for these decor pieces, and boy, am I glad.
Though I fought with my claws and teeth, though I elbowed my way.
This easy peasy project really gave me a happy start to the day until this happened. When there's a storm outside, some celebrate, some do not. Some like the rain, some do not. Some like the wind, and some do not. It brings a lot of dust with it, but also washes away the dirt on the streets. It makes the home go dark, but also makes the heat go away. So, which side are you on?
My best friend.
This storm brought a lot of dust along with it, unfortunately, followed by a lot of hard work, making the day not as pleasing anymore. After a lot of pondering, I decided to wipe it away and move on. I didn't want to be the one on the sulking side.
Makes me want you even more. If you want to, I'm up for.
Storms are the challenges we all encounter at some point or the other, and then it is upon us to face them, do something about them, and move on.
We all feel like we're messed up, but we know that we're all diamonds in the rough. In spite of all, we are all we got.
They say no storm can last forever. It will never rain 365 days consecutively. Troubles come to pass, not to stay. So remember, no storm can last forever, not even the one in your life.
You wrap me around your fingers and you stay. I don't ever wanna be alone again. Despite all, you're my best friend.
time, the day did not go as planned, but I made sure to adjust to it, rather, make it go my way. The rain outside was now making me happy as my home was all clean. Storms will take their own time to fade away. We can't really control that.
The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife.
If the outside situation is difficult, then look for happiness indoors. This is what I did. Made some nice coffee for everybody and focused on my work.
Into thought from within. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far.
The day that started amazingly and then in the middle seemed blurry as all the things I had planned had to be put on hold was now seeming productive again.
On my face, all that ever was.
The sudden changes that were not in my control definitely bogged me down a little, but I pulled myself back up, created an even better atmosphere and strived harder. And look, the sky is all clear again.